my name is Tanya from South Florida, USA. I'm a mom of two girls and a music teacher. I work with children, special needs, and I am 50 years old. The reason I am making this video is because as a woman of my age and involved with a type of job that requires a lot of energy and with kids and special needs, I needed something to help me with the energy and many other things. For example, um, once I started to reach my age, I started to develop some mental fog once in a while. And even though I try to manage my weight and my health and exercise, a couple months ago, I started noticing that high impact is a big no-no for me nowadays because it was affecting my joints. And also, I felt kind of down. My energy level was not there. So I tried different things into natural products. So I decided to take green tea, but I did not like the side effects of the jitters. I also increased my coffee intake, but again, then I had problems sleeping at night. And everything that I tried had side effects. So I decided to find something that was more natural, and I found it, okay? And this product is called Restore. It's a powder base, natural, organic, no gluten-free, made in USA, and it's made of green split blend and marine collagen and reishi mushrooms and many other ingredients. So what this is basically a natural based product, and you mix it with water or with yogurt or drink that you drink in the morning. Is recommended to use in the morning. Okay, so I tried this for 10 days. Okay, guys, and let me tell you, first of all, let me show you how it looks inside. So it's basically a powder, and it comes with a little scoop, and it's recommended to start with 2 scoops, right? And you mix this with a liquid, 8 ounces of water or milk or protein shake, whatever you do in the morning. And I tried for 10 days to see the results, and let me tell you, I noticed some difference. Okay, a good thing is that it has collagen. Okay, and this is very important for the woman that once you reach a certain age, you start losing the collagen and the firmness of the skin. And being and exercising and losing a couple of pounds, I noticed that my facial lines started to pronounce more, and my little wrinkles started to come out, and maybe some dark spots. But I said, let me take something now, try to delay the aging process if I can, right? So I said, well, this product, Pure Botanics, it's made from Pure Botanics Restore Revitalizing Beauty Greens with collagen. I said, well, it has everything that I am looking for in one product, and it's also natural based. It has a vanilla flavor, which I love, but I also have to tell you the other side that I don't like. It's that greenish, like algae plant base that is like, it's a little bit strong. You can disguise that with additional flavors, yogurts, or any shakes that you like. It did kind of disguise it, but I decided to try it as it is in a natural base form, and then I got used to it. Okay, if you're that person that is not into greens or that algae flavor, you want to combine it with other flavors. But overall, it's not that bad. It's kind of sweet. And what I noticed, okay, I have 2 small girls. They require attention. They have a lot of activities, physical activities, and I had them later in my life, and I'm 50, so I needed that extra energy and mental clariness. And once I started using it, ladies or gals, I noticed some changes, some mental clariness in 2 or 3 days, more or less. Okay, Another good thing is that my skin started to be a little bit more firm and softer. My girls are the ones who are saying that, because I know that sometimes they like to cuddle with me, and they notice, and they were starting to say, "Mom, your skin is softer." So that's a plus. And what else? All that, like the energy boosted a little bit more. Other than regular, I just stick with 1 cup of coffee a day. And then I reduce my intake, my coffee intake. I eliminate all energy drinks. I don't need them anymore, because giving me that is, it has been able to allow me to have more energy, and not taking those energy drinks that made me a little bit jitter and nervous and extra hyper. I also noticed that while I was high impact exercises, my joints, they were giving me some pain. And this, once I started drinking this, that joint pain started to dissipate. It was less and less. So overall, it's pretty good. We'll continue using this product after I'm done, and probably I will reorder again. And like I said, I got used to the flavor. So ladies and girls, if you're taking this is a great product. I highly recommend it if you're looking for something natural. Look it up. I highly use it. Hey, I am 50 years old. People say that I don't look my age, but I have to own pretty much this to this product. Okay, so that's all for my comment. I just wanted to make this short video to reassure you that I give a thumbs up to this product. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, drop me a line, and I will try to respond back to you as soon as I can. Take care. Bye.